Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentage increase. Sometimes we have a particular amount and we are asked to increase it by a certain amount. Normally, the amount of the increase is in the form of a percentage. The following simple guidelines can be followed. Number 1. Find the percentage of the given amount. Number 2. Add this answer to the original amount that was given. Let's look at some examples. Answer each of the following questions. Increase $360 by 20%. So the first part of the guideline says find the percentage of the given amount. So we're going to increase by 20%, so we find 20% of $360. So that's 20 over 100 times 360 over 1. I'll write that down for the working. 20 into 20 goes once. 20 into 100 goes 5 times. 1 times 360 is 360. 5 ones are 5. 360 divided by 5 gives us $72. So the original amount of $360 is increased by $72. So the increased amount will be $360 plus $72, and that gives us $432. Number 2. A worker's normal wage is $560 per week. If the percentage increase in the wage was 5%, what is the new wage? So we find the percentage of the amount as was stated in the guidelines. So it's 5 over 100 times 560 over 1. We write that down again for the working. 20 into 100 goes 5 times. 20 into 560 goes 28 times. Now, 5 over 5, that's there, and 28 over 1, that's there. Now 5 over 5 is 1, so that's actually 1, so that gives us 1 times 28 is $28. So the increased wage will be $560 plus $28, and that gives us $588. Number 3. The population of a school at the start of a particular year was 800 students. If there was a 4% increase in the number of students throughout the year, what was the new population? So we find 4% of 800. We write that again, so we have the working. 100 into 100 goes once. 100 into 800 goes 8 times. 8 falls are 32 students. So the population increases by 32 students. So the increased number will be 800 plus 32 gives us 832 students. So this video has introduced the idea of percentage increase, where we are given an original amount and we're told that there is a particular increase by a certain percentage, and we're asked to find the final amount after the increase is applied.